We're here again for our fifth and final huling hirit sa Tag-Init this 2015. And you know what? Malamig din dito. Dito kami sa Midori Ocean Park. Ice cold water. Makalamig. Sobra. Yun kami.
Hashtag.
Yun kami. Hashtag ice cold tubig.
Yeah, Midori.
Midori. And I'm so lasing na. Hindi na pa kami nag-shot. Morning pa.
Let's go to the pool. Oh my gosh. Sige, pakita na lang ako.
Training the cold spring because they were going to close at 6 p.m. And yun lang, wala nang maliligo dito kasi wala nang ang tubig. I-drain nila lahat. Yan kami naligo kanina, tignan mo. Dito. Yun, lalim niya. 10,000 feet.
Special guest. Ay, another special guest here. Wait lang.
Wala, ihi kayo no? Ganito na mo, digin mo rin ihi. Busog kayo, kalagat. Tara. Ay!
Iyong.
Sarby.
Hindi ko maintindihan. Basta mag-iyak ka.
Atchok Sarby.
Atchok, sukarap. Sukarap. Ano yan? Healthy pack.
We're going to end the...
Okay, bye-bye na. Bye-bye na, okay, bye-bye.
This is the last episode of Joman for 2015. Bye-bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Next time. Yun sila.
Okay, bye.
Nag-iyak pa kami. Nag-iyak.